You cannot create long form Bible prayer videos in few minutes, from 1 hour, from 2 hours, from 3 hours long form video. Now, recently I did a research and I found out that videos that are up to 1 hour long for Bible prayer videos, they tend to get higher views. And if you create this kind of video, it will not even take you time to get your 4,000 watch hour. And if you are monetized already, when you start creating long form videos like 50 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, you will notice that your earnings will be more than somebody that is creating just 10 minutes video. So I tried it for my morning prayer channel, which is one of my Bible prayer channel. I created a 50 minutes video because all I do is create maybe 5 minutes, 8 minutes, at least 10 minutes videos. So I saw that people that are creating long form videos like 50 to 1 hour or 2 hours, they are getting a lot of views on their videos. YouTube is pushing those type of video. So I decided to try it, and immediately I did it, it was not up to 24 hours. That video was ranking 1/10 in my channel, and it started getting thousands of views. So on this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create long form Bible prayer videos from 50 minutes to 3 hours to 2 hours long form, depending on how long you want your videos to be. If you are coming across my channel for the first, this channel I teach how to create AI videos, most especially Bible prayer videos. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. Now let's get straight into the video. Now you are going to come to ChatGPT. I'm going to be using ChatGPT for this. Like I always say, you can use Claude AI also, but I prefer to use ChatGPT. Now, I'm going to drop this prompt for ChatGPT. So I'm going to be taking you through step by step on how I create a video. And this particular video, I'm going to be posting it. So it's not as if it's something that I don't do or it's something that I'm not going to post. It's exactly the way I post my long prayer videos. Now, this is the prompt that I'm giving to ChatGPT. I said, create long prayer scripts for the title below. I already have my title. So if you don't know how to get your titles, you don't need to stress your head on getting titles to post. All you just need to do is to tell ChatGPT to generate title ideas for your Bible prayer videos, depending on your niche, whether the morning prayer niche, bedtime prayer niche, warfare prayer niche, any niche at all. But this is the morning prayer niche. Now, the title is Psalm 23 Morning Prayer. Let God guide your steps today. Now, I said I want the long prayer script to be in 15 batches. Create the first one, pause till I say continue. Now, this is the method that I use. This is the exact method that I use to create my long form. Now, ChatGPT cannot give me that script once because I'm creating a video of about over 40 minutes or maybe 1 hour. I don't know if it's going to be up to 1 hour, but it's not going to be less than 40-15 minutes. So I want it to be in batches because ChatGPT cannot create more than 10 minutes in one script. So I'm going to send this and I'm going to wait for ChatGPT to generate the script for me. So this is the first script. This is the first prayer script. You can see. Now what I'm going to do is to come to this down part and I'm going to copy it. Now once I copy it, once I click on copy, I'm going to head over to my note because you need to do some editing. You can see that ChatGPT is adding a lot of things that you don't need. So what you will do is to head over to your note. So let me look for my note. So this is my note. Then I'm going to click on paste. Now once I click on paste, I'm going to edit everything that I don't need because you don't want the text to speech tool to start saying all these things that are not necessary. So I'm just going to delete all these unnecessary things. So this is the first script. Once I'm done deleting the things that I don't need, I will just go back and generate the rest. So I'm going to click on, all you just need to do is to tell ChatGPT next because you already told ChatGPT how you are going to generate the script. So either you click on next or you say continue. Now this is the second one. So we are going to copy the second one. We are going to go back and do the same thing that we just did. So this is it. Go back, paste it. So you can see you delete all these things that you don't need. All these things that are not supposed to be on the prayer script. You know how a prayer script is supposed to be by now. Now what you are going to do is to delete all these ones. Now, because I don't want this video to be too long, I am going to generate the remaining 13 scripts of screen record. Now, once I'm done generating all the scripts, I'm going to come back to this video. Now, once I'm done with that, once I'm done generating the script, so I'm going to be copying three, like I added three scripts, three, they are different badges. Now I added three different scripts together for one text to speech, because if the text to speech is too, might start having problem generating the audio properly. Sometimes it will get to one, maybe the middle, and it will stop playing. So all I'm just going to do is to generate it three batch each. So this is the first three batch. So I'm just going to take them to, I'm just going to copy them. I'm going to take them to my text to speech tool to generate them. So let's just head over to that place. So I'm still trying to copy. Now let's head over to our browser. So I'm going to go to Gen AI Pro. Like I said, I will drop it in the description. The link to this text to speech, I'm going to drop it in the description. Now, this is very, very important. Now, for your prayer videos, you want the audio to be a little bit slow and emotional. You don't want it to be fast, like just saying it, pra, pra, pra. So you don't want it to be at least slow. Now, if you are using Gen AI Pro, all you just need to do is, once you get to this interface, you will need to sign up. Then once you are done signing up, you get to this interface, you are going to look for the voice. We are using English USA. Now, you are going to go to this place they wrote Adam Dominant. That is not the voice I want to use. So I'm going to look for the voice that I want to use. So let's say I want to use this one. Then I'm going to come to this speed. This is very important. So I was using 0.95 before, but I noticed that it's not slow enough, so I started using 0.85. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete this one. This is the one that I generated before, so I'm going to delete it. Then I'm going to paste this new one that I just copied. Now once I'm done doing that, I'll click on generate speech. Then you can see that it's generating audio. So let's wait for it to generate. So as it is generating, we are going to go back to ChatGPT and generate our other scripts, join them together, like I said, three, then come back and generate the rest. So let me do that off screen record. So this is the process you are going to use to generate it batch by batch, so that you cannot add everything together, except maybe the text to speech tool that you are using can take that. But when I tried it got to the middle and it stopped playing, so I don't want to take that risk again. So let me just generate it off screen record. So now you can see that it's showing completed. Now you can see that once it's showing completed, you will not be seeing any other thing here to download it, because I am using an iPhone. But if it is an Android phone, it's going to be showing clearly. Now I'm going to turn my phone into landscape mode like this. Then it's going to start showing only play. Then what I need to do is just to remove this place that is showing Gen AI Pro, just to remove it so that the screen will be wider. So once you remove it, you just zoom it like this. So once you zoom it, you are going to see where to download it. So this is the audio. Now I'm going to click on download. So you can see it's saying save. Where do you want to download it to? So I'll download it to my Files app. Now you can see that it's showing downloading. So if you are using an iPhone, you might encounter this, but it's simple. All you just need to do, turn your phone into landscape mode, and it's going to show every other thing for you. So now once you are done generating all your audios, you are going to come back to ChatGPT and say create 50 nature image prompts for this. So if you don't want nature image prompt, you can just say create 50 image prompts. So depending on the length of the video, if the video is 1 hour, you can use 50 images. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can use 50 images for a 1 hour video, because if you say you want to really create a lot of images, you can even create up to 100 or even 200 images, but I'm going to show you how you can use 50 images for it. Now you're going to click on send, and we are going to wait for ChatGPT to generate the images for us. So these are the images. Now, if you're using the ChatGPT Pro, you can tell ChatGPT to start generating the images. So now I'm going to say start generating the images starting from one. So ChatGPT is going to automatically start generating the images. You don't need to give ChatGPT any prompt. So once ChatGPT is done generating the first one, so the next thing you're just going to do is just to say next. That's if you are using ChatGPT Pro. So if you don't have ChatGPT Pro, I'm going to show you how you can generate it with a free AI tool. Now you can see that ChatGPT has generated it for us. So what you are just going to do is to click on save. So now I'm going to say next, and I'm going to add in 16:9 aspect ratio, because I noticed that this one that he created before is not in 16:9 because I did not indicate it. So I'm going to click on next in 16:9 aspect ratio. So I'm just going to send this, and let's wait for it to start generating. So like I said, if you don't have the pro version of ChatGPT, so what you just need to do is to come here. You are going to generate your images for free. Come here, click on the one that you want to generate, Gemini or Gemini, I don't know. So you are going to click on paste. So I'm using Gemini and it's totally free. So once you click on paste, you are going to write 16:9 if it's not indicated in the prompt, 16:9 aspect ratio. So you click on generate. So you are going to use this method to generate all your images for free. But if you don't have ChatGPT Pro, this is another option that you can use to generate your images. Now let's wait for it to generate. So you can see ChatGPT is generating, Gemini is also generating. So this is the one that ChatGPT generated. So you can see how they are looking. So let me just increase the brightness of my phone so you can see how they are looking. So you're going to click on save photos. Then all you just need to do is to say next. So if you are not using the ChatGPT Pro, you can only generate about, I think about 3 images here for free like this. Now let's go to Gemini and see what Gemini has done for us. You can see how beautiful that Gemini's own is also looking. So that's how you are going to generate all your 50 images. In less than 5 minutes, you should be done generating your images. Now, once you are done generating all the images, you are going to go to CapCut. Then you click on new video. Then you go to photos. So you are going to select. So the same way we created it batch by batch is the same way we are going to be creating it batch by batch. Because I tried creating the long form video once. The auto caption did not add because I guess it was too long. So we are going to create it batch by batch, add our auto caption, then join them together. So now I'm going to select first 10 images. So let's select the first 10. So this is the first 10. Now I'm going to click on add. So I'm going to click on add. Now what I'm going to do is to click on the first image. Then I'm going to draw it to about 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Then I'm going to go to animations. Then I'll go to vibration. Then I'll look for this rock horizontally. Then I'll draw it to the end. So you can see that it's moving like video. So this is what I'm going to be doing for all of them. So I'll go to the next one. Shift it to 10 seconds. Click on animations, vibration and rock horizontally is the animation I'm using. So draw it to the end. So I'll do the same thing for the next picture too. So this is the next picture. Animations. So this is basically what I'm going to be doing for all the images. So this is the first badge I'm going to be creating, because like I said, I don't want to create them one. So once I'm done creating them one after the other, like batch by batch, the same way we created the audio, before we come back to join everything together. So let me do this off screen record. Now once you are done, you're going to click on export. So you are going to export it first. Just follow me. I'm going to show you what I'm doing. So let's wait for you to export. So once it is done exporting, you are going to save it, then come back to CapCut, click on the video. You can see, you click on add again. Now you are going to click on speed. Look for speed. This is speed. So let's look for the first audio first, before we know the duration of the audio. So before we know the duration of the video, so let's look for the audio first. So this is the audio. We're just going to click on it. So this is it.
Heavenly Father.
So the audio is 13 minutes. Now let's click on speed and let's draw it to 0.2 times. So let's see if it's covered everything. So let's check to see if it's covered the whole audio. You can see that it did not cover it, so it's still remaining small. So it's still remaining small. So we need to add more to it. So we're just going to add more pictures, animate it, then we'll come back here. So now once you notice that the video has gotten to the audio, so you're going to the first place. So you just increase the volume of audio. Now the next thing is to look for auto captions. So you go to captions. You look for the one that you would like to use, then you click on generate. So you wait for it to generate. Now once it is done generating, you click on style, then you look for the templates that you prefer. So let me look for the template that I would like to use. So let's say I want to use this template. Now once I'm done with this, all I'm just going to do is so let's draw it to the middle. Now once I'm done with this, all I need to do is to click on export. So once I click on export, I'm going to do the same for the other badges, then before I come to join everything together. So I'll do that off screen record. So now once you are done with the second badge, or you are done with all the badges, you are just going to click on this plus button, then you are going to import the first badge. So this is the first badge. Then you are going to do some editing. You can see that it's showing 51 minutes because it's going to be over 1 hour, but I did not add the last batch because I don't want it to be longer than this. So this is it. So let me just zoom this a little bit. Now, after I've checked my video and I see that they all align, then I'm going to click on export. So you can see that it is 51 minutes. If like I said, if I add the last batch, it's going to be over 1 hour. I don't want it to be more than 15 minutes. It's already more than though. So all I'm just going to do is to click on export. Then my long form video is ready. So you watch this video to this point, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. If you have any comment or you have a video you want me to create, you can let me know in the comment section. I'm going to see you in my next one.